Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by saving work and closing Word immediately. If it's frozen, use Option Command Escape to force quit. Once closed, check Mac OS and Office updates. Open Microsoft Auto Update and install any pending patches, because compatibility often causes issues. Make sure to restart your Mac after updates to clear temporary caches and free locked resources. This first step addresses most cause-and effect problems quickly, and it prepares the system for targeted fixes if Word still misbehaves. Next, isolate software-level problems by disabling add-ins. Open Word, go to Tools, Templates and Add-ins, and uncheck third-party extensions, then relaunch. If problems persist, reset preferences by quitting Word and removing the COM. Microsoft. Word list from /library/preferences. This clears corrupted settings. Also create or log into a clean Mac OS user account and launch Word there to see if the issue is profile-specific. Doing this helps you determine whether the fault lies in extension. If earlier steps don't fix it, perform a clean reinstall. Sign out of Office, uninstall the Office apps or run the Microsoft uninstaller, then download a fresh installer from your Microsoft account and reinstall. Before reinstalling, run Disk Utility First Aid and confirm you have adequate free space. Low disk space can break document saves. Once reinstalled, boot in safe mode if problems continue. One key troubleshooting tip: delete the normal .dom template in /library/group containers to remove corrupted default styles. Word will recreate it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.